Nike Shox continues its strong comeback as the brand looks ahead to 2026, proving that early 2000s performance footwear still has a major place in today's sneaker culture. Nike is set to excite longtime fans with the return of Vince Carter's iconic Shox BB4 Olympic colorway, scheduled for next summer. This retro release is especially meaningful for OG collectors who have been waiting years to see this classic back on shelves. At the center of the Shox revival is the Nike Shox R4, the first Shox runner introduced in the early 2000s and still the most recognizable silhouette in the lineup. For spring 2026, Nike introduces the Shox R4 Black Spruce edition, delivering a clean and lifestyle-friendly look. The pair features a white upper accented by subtle Spruce Aura details on the swoosh, balanced by black Shox columns and olive or radial pads underfoot. The Nike Shox R4 Black Spruce is set to release in spring 2026 through Nike and select retailers, with a retail price of $155.